Come with us today as we explore Central Japan, which is Nagoya. On our way to Nagoya, this is our fourth trip to Japan. We're gonna enjoy it. I'm hoping to meet my cousin Ate Helen. I like our seats today, and I like that seated right at the back of the restroom. Because late ng 45 minutes yung flight. Ayan yung mahirap po kapag may luggage ka. Kaya tong asawa ko gusto niya backpacking talaga. Sa Pilipinas pa lang, dapat may QR code ka na. So ito, pinrepare na namin kagabi pa. Tapos na kami sa immigration, ang haba ng pila. Medyo na late din ng 45 minutes ang flight. Sobrang dami ng tao ngayon. Pero it's okay kasi spring break daw. According to Midori, our Kayoga, who is a Japanese. Malamig, 14 degrees. So, beautiful. First order of business, kakain na muna kami. Gutom na kami. So, let's go inside Lawson. Dito na siya mag-withdraw. Hindi na kami nagpapapalit sa Philippines kasi mas mahal. So, hindi ka naman talaga gugutumin dito. Masarap yung mga food nila. For 1,300 yen, this is what we're having. Egg sandwich for Jan, the sausage, this is for meat, chicken, and fruits. Pag pumunta kayo ng Japan, ito talagang huwag nyo i-miss. Yung egg sandwich nila. Sobrang sarap. Your sausage.
Really good.
Itong chicken barbecue, masarap din. Sanay na siyang kumuha ng tickets dito sa Japan. Choose where you're going. Number of people, and then you pay cash, and then put your money there. Okay, there you go. Tickets. So from the airport, eto lang naman yung train station. Eto lang din. Ayan o. Boarded the train going to Nagoya from the airport. This is 910 yen. Look at this. Konti lang ang tao. Very pretty, malinis. So we're about to go in 5 minutes. Nagkamali kami ng sakay. Kaya pala sobrang ganda ng train kanina. Yun yung reserve seats, VIP or premium. Dito lang pala kami. But it's okay. Yung ordinary train naman nila will always be maganda pa rin, malinis pa rin. Hindi namin alam kung bakit mahaba pila dito. Pero dahil curious kami, pipila kami at bibili kami nito at 280 yen. Thank you. Alright, thank you. Pangalawang train. Arrived in Sakay. From the subway, ayun no, konting lakad, lakad kami rito.
Central Park.
And there's the TV tower. Lakad pa uli, papunta dun sa hotel. Sobrang lapit lang ng Coco Hotel sa subway. Konting lakad lang. So this is the Coco Hotel. In fairness, maganda. Second blooper for the day. Mali naman kami ng hotel na pinuntahan. Kanina train. Ngayon naman yung hotel. But it's alright. We're having fun. Oh, 17 minutes walk. Okay lang kami kasi we like walking naman. Sobrang galing talaga dito sa Japan. Effective ang mga bridge. At eto na, nakarating na kami. Kakain muna kami kasi gutom na talaga kami. Ito yung binili namin sa Subway. It's a combination of parang pancake at mung bean. Masarap to ha. This is the lobby of Coco Hotel in Marunouchi. We've decided to get this kasi we stayed in their Coco Hotel in Sapporo. Nagandahan naman kami. Dito, here you can check out and buy whatever you want for your room. Pero isa sa pinakagusto ko dito, ayan o. Meron silang coffee, unlimited yan. Starts at 1 p.m. up to 11 p.m. only. Ayan, pili ka. May enjoy mo pag coffee drinker ka. Masarap yung matcha tea nila. Tapos dito you can also just get what you need. This is for the bathtub. Ayan, kuha ka lang ng mga kailangan mo. Shaving cream, toothbrush, brush, and skincare. Maganda dito if you wanna stay at hindi siya ganun kamahal, although today kasi merong F1 from March 28 up to 30, tas may malaking concert. Medyo mahal yung pagkakabook namin dito. Pero ayun na nga, okay lang din kasi very comfortable naman ang Coco Hotel in Marunouchi. Finally checking in. Lobby at 3rd floor. Okay. This is the room here at Coco Hotel Marunouchi. Maliit lang siya, pero okay lang. Lagi naman kami nasa labas. Natin yung CR. Okay. And that's me. Maliit lang, common to Japan. But from Coco Hotel, we've reached the Osokanon Temple by less than 20 minutes. Mabilis kasi kami. I'm meeting my cousin here. Yay! This is the Osokanon Hotel and its surrounding area. And finally, I'm so happy nagkita na rin kami ng cousin ko ni Ate Helen. I've been wanting to visit her and her siblings for a long, long time. Light dinner here at Caesarea. Hamburger, chicken. I appreciate my Ate Helen so much for taking time to see me and my husband. Thank you, Ate. Dahil hindi kami makatulog, we're going to Don Quixote, which is 24 hours at this area. Itong area na to, ito yata ang party area, party place, bar. Pero dahil hindi naman kami maganon, Don Quixote lang kami. And that's it for our first day in Nagoya. Good night, people, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. For our second day here in Nagoya, we went to Nagoya Castle and the Honmari Palace. We also visited the Nagoya Theater and we went around looking for beautiful cherry blossoms here. Today is Sunday, so expect a lot of people. Lalo spring break daw because merong F1, so napakaraming tourists. You can leave your luggage here for a fee. Stamping area. May event na nangyayari doon. This is the surrounding area of Nagoya Castle. The main tower is closed. We started early, kaya maganda rin. Entrance to Honmaru Palace is 500 yen per person. Dito you have to take your slippers off. Ito iiwanan. You have to pay 100, pero ibabalik naman yan. Doing the walking tour. History of the Nagoya Castle Palace. Built in 1615. Honmaru Palace Restoration. We're having the very long French fries and takoyaki at 700 and the long French fries is at 1,000 yen. Sa lahat ng pagkain sa Japan, ito talaga yung pinaka-paborito. Takoyaki. 650 yen for this sundae with I don't know what's on the side, basta in-order ko lang. Masarap. Okay. May event pag March 28 to 30 dito sa Nagoya, kaya sobrang dami ng tao. It's a fun vibe pero mainit na. Kaya tapos na kami. It's Sunday, so there's a lot of family doing picnic here at the Nagoya Theater. This is such a nice place to go to. Maganda ang cherry blossoms dito. Oh. And this concludes our second day here in Nagoya. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. We hope you will subscribe. See you tomorrow again for our next adventure. It's almost 11 p.m. but we're craving for food, so we're here at 7-Eleven. Healthy. Ayan ang mga food namin. Here, Dessert, dessert, and another sandwich. See it.
Masarap.
Wrapped with banana. Favorite ko to sa lahat ng dessert dito sa Japan. It's 11 p.m. here in Nagoya, Japan. Wala kaming magawa. So lalabas kami, pupunta kami sa Donkey.
Megadong.
Mega Donkey yung pinakamalaki. Hanggang 1 a.m. naman daw ang bukas nun. Dito sa Japan, sobrang safe. Ayan.
Kami lang ang maingay.
Kami lang maingay, baka maingay dito po. Ayan, maulan eh.
Walang tao.
Tsaka ang ganda-ganda ng payong nila oh. Lakad-lakad. Dito sa Nagoya at 11 p.m. Mega Don Quixote. Ito yung stream. Yung river na may magandang mga cherry blossoms. This Don Quixote is open until 12 a.m. only. So we have an hour to finish our shopping. Ang lalaki ng ano. This is the river at night. Maulan ngayon kaya wala na ring taong nagsa-sightseeing. Kami na lang. And that's Don Quixote, where I got my big strawberries. It's a beautiful night here in Nagoya. Maulan pero masaya. Wala ng tao. Night walking here in Nagoya. On our third day in Nagoya, we've explored Ghibli Park. We've also went to IKEA and Toyota, pero sarado ang Toyota. Ang galing talaga dito sa Japan. We're going to Ghibli and look at this train station. Naka-theme na kaagad sila for Ghibli. We have arrived here in the Ghibli. Ang ganda ng train dito, ayan o. We took 2 trains. Ito yung kasama ko, sobrang saya o. The happiest man alive here at Ghibli. Ghibli is happiness for this man. Ghibli Park is a must-visit place if you go to Nagoya. You have to book at least 2 months in advance to get in. This is the Louvre, skating rink, and restaurants and the food here does not use pesticide. Ito na kami sa Ghibli, magbe-breakfast. What we're having, sweet potato pie, croissant, and Danish. All these for 490 yen. How was it?
Good.
Okay naman?
Ah.
Okay, he likes this.
So we are now at the Valley of the Witches. If you could look at the art there, it says Valley of the Witches. This is where I picked up Joy because she's a witch.
Food stalls at the back. Ayan, marami din. Malaki. Malamig ang klima pero tirik ang araw. Down here, we started very early. So my tips, book your tickets online at least 2 months para talagang meron kayong entrance. And then, mainit. Make sure kung ayaw yung mga item, bring your payong. Tsaka bring lots of water din. Start early. Bring payong. Bring water. Food also kung magkakapagdala kayo ng mga sandwiches. Para ma-enjoy nyo ng todo.
So come here. It's fun. Enjoy and bring sunblock.
Meron din sila nito. At 440 yen. Ito yung trumpo nila at 605. 153. Bili ako nito ha. Thank you, Ghibli. And we're going to IKEA. Malapit na lang din naman. Di itry na natin. Train here. Ganda ng train dito. Off to
IKEA.
お降りください。このリにも
Both sides.
Sakura.
Ako naglakad pa.
Malapit lang yung Ghibli sa IKEA, pero mainit eh. Pwede siyang i-walk by 20 minutes, kaya lang tirik na yung araw. May hilo factor na. Kaya nag-train pa rin kami. So ito na ngayon. Ang galing kasi may sariling exit station papunta sa IKEA. So hindi ka natatawid, hindi ka na mahihirapan.
Curious kami, pumunta kami, umikot kami dito sa IKEA.
Curious lang talaga kami kung anong meron sa IKEA. Wala naman. Most of the items parehong-pareho rin ang nasa Pilipinas. Na-enjoy lang namin yung pag-ikot-ikot at magkulitan while checking out the stuff. Next stop,
Toyota.
Toyota. Magkakalapit lang sila kaya puntahan na natin. Just one station from IKEA. Ayun na ang pasukin natin ang just 5-minute walk. Ando na tayo sa So we're super excited to visit Toyota Museum. Pero sarado sila pag Monday. So ayan na, huwag kayong pupunta pag Monday. Dapat Tuesday to Sunday. Pwede. Okay, goodbye! Hi, we're sad. Bibili pa naman siya ng souvenir na chota ng mga cars. Kaso wala eh. Tignan namin, baka bumalik kami sa susunod. Sarado siya. It's our second time to eat here at Saizeriya. It was highly recommended by cousin Ate Helen. Masarap naman yung food nila. Sabi niya, family restaurant daw ito, meaning ito yung mga murang kainan dito sa Japan. Mura nga siya kasi we've ordered 4 items with drink na rin. It's around 1,900 yen lang. And look at what we're having. Spaghetti creamy mushroom at 600. Spicy grilled chicken at 300. Italian hamburger steak at 500.
Chicken is so good. Sarap.
Sarap ng chicken.
This is really good. Okay, and now for dessert, we're going to try their dolce leche flan and a tiramisu with chocolate sprinkles on top. The tiramisu. Ooh la la. I'm gonna try now the leche flan. Leche flan. Very nice. Ooh.
Free soup sila dito. Coffee is unlimited if you get a drink. Meron pang tea. And here's different soda. So, ang favorite ko among this is the Minute Maid Orange. Sulit dito kumain sa Saizeriya.
So the total for our food here in Saizeriya is 2,400, including drinks and soup and coffee and with dessert na yan. There you go. Sarap dito.
Maaga magsara dito sa Oso District hanggang 8 p.m. lang mga shops. Kaya uwi na kami. On our 4th day, we're going to Legoland and nearby tourist spots.
Let's go.
After 2 trains and 48 minutes from Coco Hotel, we are here in
Legoland!
So happy siya. Maulan pero okay lang, i-enjoy namin to. Everything here in Legoland Souvenir is awesome. Ito yung mga magandang ipang-gift to. Ang cute. Ito mga food to. And there's food and then you can have the tin cans. This tin can, merong kasama sa loob yan na Lego with the rice cracker, I think. This one is a pencil case with biscuits. This is the Legoland Hotel! Ang ganda talaga ng hotel ng Legoland. Skyline Bar. Ang ganda talaga ng restaurant ng hotel ng Legoland. This is the waiting area for those who are checking in. Medyo matagal ang hintayan, kaya mga bata hindi rin maiinip. Even the toilets are so pretty. Ang cute-cute. This is how you order here. And then, you just wait. Yeah, may area for the children. So, ma-enjoy din nila while waiting for the food. Stir fried noodles, regular ramen, gulay on the side. Dahil na-curious na naman kami, mahaba ang pila. Sana masarap to. Ang mamon din. Yes or no? Yes, for $7.93. This is the Gate Tower Mall where most brands and restaurants are located. Marami diyang mabibilihan na mahal. Meron ding mura like Uniqlo and Gu. Exploring Sake at this time on our 4th day. Maulan kaninang umaga hanggang hapon. Wala kami masyado nagawa. Dito sa Nagoya, mas magandang maglakad kesa sumakay sa train. Kasi sometimes yung walking will take only like 8 minutes. Sa train kasi paikot. Ang mangyayari na dodoble, minsan mas mahaba pa ng mga 5 minutes. Kung nagtitipid kayo, itong Fuji Sauna and Capsule, dyan pwede magstay. Kung single ka lang, eto yung sinasabi ng cousin ko ni Ate Helen. They also have a small version of the Shibuya crossing in Tokyo. Yun. This is GU Store. Sister company to ng Uniqlo. Favorite ni Love dito, kaya andito na naman kami. Halos kapareho din ng mga items ng Uniqlo. Although I think slightly mas mura. I like Japanese fashion talaga. Ito, meron na rin ganitong mall sa atin sa BGC. Mitsukoshi. Sake Street. Where branded items are. This building is for toy enthusiasts. Para kay Jan yan.
And this will be our last stop for our 4th day here in Nagoya. Good night. See you tomorrow.
On our 5th day, we're going to
Kiyosu Castle.
the trains here in Nagoya. Hindi kasing vibrant na mga trains sa Tokyo and Osaka. Also the place, hindi siya ganun kakulay. Lakad lang. Medyo slow pacing kami. So nakaka-rest, nakakapag-edit ng videos. Maraming time. Ang tahimik ng lugar dito. Going to Kiyosu Castle. We're doing a 16-minute walk. Dire-diretso na, iniwan na ako. This is how effective Japan is. May ginagawa pero bawat kanto, bawat sulok, may nagbabantay. Ang galing nila dito. Itong mga gantong lugar, mapapastop talaga ako. Kalamansi pero sabi ni John, orange eh. Sobrang bango. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful. May ka-theme sa bridge. Ayan na, malapit na kami. Ayun na yung castle. On our 5th day here in Nagoya, our first stop is you're not allowed to step on this kasi it's an art form. It says there. Shoes should be off. Going up na sa second. This is the view from the top. This is the view from the top of Kiyosu Castle. From the castle, we're walking towards Kirin Factory. Kirin is a beer na sikat dito sa Nagoya. Siyempre, makukumpleto ang trips namin pag hindi siya nakakain sa McDo. Ayun na, malapit na. This food for 1.5 yen. 2 burgers, french fries, juice, and pie. And Good. Burger nila dito, mas maraming gulay, mas malaki yung bread. Look at that. Sulit talagang kumain dito sa Japan kahit fast food. Merong strawberry talaga. Just finished eating at McDo. Lakad uli. Umuulan! Tama ba naman ang suot ko dress? Ang nipis ng suot ko, umuulan! Ang lamig! Korean Beer Factory! Look. Joining the Korean Factory tour at 1:30. 500 per person ang tour. So while dito pwedeng magpa-picture. Sasama sa babayaran yung 500. May free one picture for every group. One lang for every press. Kidding. And cute. It's a certificate. Kuha mo ko ah.
So you have, yeah. So there's the rules. So first you have to take a look at the difference in color and thickness of the wort. Next, compare the aromas of the two. So you have to smell this. This smells better. Finally, let's check the difference in taste to make it easier to sense the difference and try the second press one first. Mas masarap yung first. Para siyang tea. Did you smell? Sarap. First press.
So good.
So the
この後はこの発生した炭酸麦のジュース
A factory shop or the souvenir shop.
is the best part where we get to taste some of the beers that they have to offer here. So I think they're
The best part, yan ang gusto niya. Tikman ang Kirin beer. How's it? Sumakit na yung for beers for him. I'm gonna have the non-alcoholic sa kanya alcoholic. Cheers, babe. Pag nagpunta kayo na Nagoya, don't forget to join this tour kasi sobrang sulit ito with the beers that you're gonna have. 3 kinds of beers for each person. O ay magkano isa? Ako, I'm not having alcohol, so non-alcoholic yung kinuha kong dalawa. Oh, lasing na siya. Lasing siya. Ba't ininom niya? We're done here at Korean Beer Factory and Museum. Malakas ang ulan, mabuti na lang may free shuttle up to the JR station. Lakad-lakad lang from the train station. Ang cute ng mga bahay dito, oh. Mahilig sila sa flowers. This is the surrounding area here at the Big Buddha. We're done here at the Big Buddha. Naglakad lang kami from Hinagishi Line.
Going back to Sake, 1 train away, and then we're gonna have dinner at the Fresh Burger.
Finally made it here at the Fresh Burger. Vegetable burger and classic cheeseburger.
We are done eating at Freshness Burger. So we heard about it online. And it's supposed to be really good, but not so much. Just so you can try it, and there's a lot of lettuce and onions and vegetables in the burger, so it makes it kind of okay. But the patty itself, it's not so good.
Sake Street.
We're doing a quick stop at the Pokemon Center.
If you see this, take a track photo. May price daw yan kapag namili ka sa Don Quixote. Here's the third Don Quixote. Ito yan sa Sakay.
This Don Quixote is open 24 hours. So this will be our last stop today. Good night. See you tomorrow.
On our 7th day here in Nagoya, we're going to the Noritake Garden. But first, we're going to that famous coffee shop that Reina, the front desk, Coco Hotel front desk, told us about. Sikat daw dito yan sa Nagoya. So, tignan natin kung magugustuhan namin. Lakad-lakad lang. Oh, ganda ng mga houses nila. May mga flowers on the side. Thanks to Google Map, we're here after 8 minutes of walking. Tama nga yung sinabi nila. Mahaba na daw ang pila. Ito yan, it's a small cafe. Pero pinupuntahan talaga siya. It's called Coffee House Kako. Sobrang lamig ngayon. Hindi siya ginawin, no? Pero nag-hoodie na. Sobrang nakapasok na kami. Maliit lang yung lugar. Kaya pila talaga. Ayan.
カシスバナナとパイナップル、オレンジマーマレード、キウイ、ホワイトです。
Finish 2,950. Mahal ha. Okay, for the experience, I like it. But we were just surprised. Mali lang yung information that I got. So you order a coffee separate from the breads that they have. Pero masarap yung bread nila. Yun yung toast nila. Sikat yun with red bean. I like it so much. Yun lang, parang mamamahalan ka kasi nga. Well, it's a specialty, I think. I like it. It's small, mahaba ang pila. Ayan, no. For the experience, yes, I like it. Yung coffee though, the geisha at 900, parang, okay, it's just parang tsaa nga siya, halos walang lasa. But the breads, the toast, yes, I like it. If you wanna try also, why not? Artisanal din siguro talaga ito kaya mahal. For the experience, yes. But for the price, baka hindi niyo masyadong gustuhan. But I like it. Okay lang siya. Masarap naman. Punta kami sa Noritake Gardens. 25 minutes pag sumakay ng train. 25 minutes din pag lumakad. Eh di maglalakad na lang kami. Mababurn pa namin yung kinain namin. This is Noritake Garden. Entrance is free yata. Not sure. This is Noritake Garden. Very beautiful place. Here in Noritake Garden, happily meeting Hattie from Australia. She's traveling Japan. This is her dream destination. So we're happy to meet you. And thank you for taking our photos. Thank you, Hattie. See you in Australia. This is their shop and their cafe. Their signature mugs for taking home for souvenir. This is their 2026 collection. 38,000 for a set. This is 22,000. This is their limited edition at 5,000 yen. Tara. This is their blooming sakura right beside the center. Beautiful yellow tulips. This is the craft center. You see you? This is the entrance. Bawal ng camera, so up to here lang to. If you're a person with disability, you are free to enter along with one companion. The rest have to pay. Okay? Hanggang dito lang. Here, it's allowed. Photography is allowed here in the museum. And that's the end. And right beside Noritake is, of course, may isa na namang mall, the Aeon Mall. To enter here, this is the price. Free entrance for people, even visitors from different countries, plus one companion, free then. The birthplace of Toyota. Okay.
Green?
How do you know na green? There you go.
Comes with a stand.
Yay! Okay.
Pa?
Finished product. Yeah. All red lang yan. It's 8 p.m. and we're around the river area. This is like 11 minutes walk from our hotel. So okay lang. The first time we went here mga 3 nights before maulan. So hindi namin nakita ang kagandahan. Ngayon maganda siya. Ayan, the river. Ikutin natin. Ayan ang kapaligiran dito. Around the river. Ganda ng lugar. Vibrant ngayon kasi it's Friday night. So, maraming gumigimik ngayon. At kasi nga walang ulan. Halika, ikot pa tayo. May Richmond Hotel din sila dito. Dito naman, Hilton. Area ng mga medyo malalaking hotel.
We are here in Nagoya, Yapaton. It's a tonkatsu place.
Oh, we do not know about this place. Meron lang nakapilat lagi mahaba. Nakakailang araw na kami dito. It's our 8th day. Laging mahabang pila. Kahit umuulan yan mapila. After 10 to 15 minutes of waiting, na-seat na rin kami. Maraming tao.
So if you like pork chop. It's tender, it's kind of juicy, and it's a different take.
Did you like or not?
Not so much,
But it's okay.
but it's okay, just for the experience.
Kahit naman ano sa akin masarap. Actually, nasarapan naman ako talaga. This is our second attempt to visit Toyota Automobile Museum. We were here last Monday. Close sila pag Monday ha. So tara, definitely ngayon bukas to. Opens at 9:30 a.m. up to 5 p.m. only. The tickets, if you are PWD, may discount. There's the ticketing center, museum lounge, and the restaurant. Ang cute pati dito sa kanilang restroom. May mga... Okay. Okay. museum shop and cafeteria. Getting this Toyota car pullback. We're done here in Toyota. Papunta kami dun sa Aeon Mall. Ayun lang siya, oh. Just 6 minutes of walk. Lakad na, ang lamig, oh. Grabe, matirik yung araw, pero ang lamig. Lakas ng mall na. Gutom na kami, so kakain muna kami. Hanap ng mukhang masarap, dad, oh. Pwede kang mag-microwave doon, oh. All this food at around 3,000 yen. So, i-convert natin. Magkano lang ito?
1,200.
Mga 1,200 for all of this. Bon appetit! Dito sa Japan, magandang kumain sa ilalim ng mga mall. Kasi sa totoo lang, mura naman. Tapos, madami ka pang mapipili. Hindi ka na maghihintay. Fresh din naman yung food nila. Kaya, look at this. Sarap. On our 8th day, we're going to the Samurai Village. It will take around 9 minutes daw. This is our way to the Samurai Village. Lakad-lakad lang talaga kami dito. Ang ganda ng university nila dito, oh. Just 8 minutes walk from our hotel. Eto na yung Samurai Village. This area, marami rin silang cherry blossoms. Conservation area na ito. Very quiet ang lugar, so medyo hihinaan ko lang pagsasalita ako. The flowers here in Japan are so beautiful. This looks like a gumamela, pero parang flower ng rose yung kanyang feel. Lugar, kami pa lang ang nandito. Medyo maulan ngayon, may ambon. Kaya may payong kaming dala. Maliit lang ito, pero it's worth the visit because of its historical value. I'm choosing number 8. I have to read. Nagoya is a slow-paced city. Sabi ng 2016, this is the most boring city daw in Japan, but we don't think so. I don't think so. Slow pacing siya, but it's alright. Marami kaming time maglakad-lakad at magmuni-muni. This is the river. Ang gaganda ng mga flowers nila. Lusog ang mga kalapati dito. They have beautiful parks here. Kahit saan, parang ang dami. And the flowers are amazingly pretty. We've reached Nagoya City Science Museum. Malakas ang ulan. We need to take refuge inside. This is the rocket ship they used before. Ayan, naka-display na siya dyan. Oh, ito na kami. The Science Museum. Because it's a Saturday, maraming tao ngayon. Daming tao ngayon, so we're done here. We're gonna go to
Nagoya TV Tower. Over there.
Marami sila ditong maliliit na coffee shops. Katulad nung ganyan. Ang cute, ang cute. Dito sa loob ng 7-Eleven, select 7-Eleven, may mga ATM. So dito na kami nag-withdraw. Around 220 yen yata yung charge. So okay lang. Siyempre, na-curious na naman kami kung anong meron sa underground shopping. Mostly bars ata ito. Coffee shop. Sarado pa halos. Sa K area, puro malls. It's our 8th day already here in Nagoya, but it's our first time na magkape sa Starbucks. We're having this limited edition strawberry cheesecake, and we're having the white choco mocha. Syempre, sharing lang. Di naman namin kaya ubusin yan. Hello, birdies. And there's the Don Quixote. Dahil maulan, walang masyadong gagawin. Ayan ate, oh. Nagpabudol na ako, bumili na ako ng kamote. Kakainin ko yan. Maulan, oh. Malakas ang ulan. Pero yan na yung TV tower, oh. We're going there. Tara, lakad pa more.
Ito yun, Day.
Ayun, Gifu area. So, parang natatempa ko ah. One play, 2,000 yen. Ito daw yung mga mapapanalunan. No? Okay na ako sa G-Shock eh. Pwede na sa akin to. Mga mapapanalunan. No? Ayan, no? G-Shock, iPhone 16 Plus, AirPods. Oh, yun yung may mga silbi. Ayan, no? iPhone 17. Ano, sugal tayo.
Push.
And now we have to open. Ayaw. Oh, no price. Ito na yun. So, no price. Ah, walang price.
2,000 yen.
Okay. This is what I got for 800. Ah, wala na. Yun na yun.
Yeah.
Wala na yung 800. So, ito na yun, Dad.
Yep.
Smart! Pero meron ding marami rin ano. These are the beggars din. Ayan, oh. Marami rin. Ang daming basura dito, oh. This part, gamit yon ni Tatang. Ayun, si Tatang, oh. Gamit niya yan. Meron pa rin kahit papaano. Kalat sa Japan. These are the things na, yan. Hindi talaga perfect ang bawat bansa. O, yan. Sila mother dear. Exploring this area while John is busy looking for toys. This is also a temple according to the men there. So, it's closing by 15 minutes. So, puntahan ko na. John is in the second floor sa mga toys or hobby shop. Di ko alam kung anong meron pero pumunta ako sa 9th floor. Pero ang kagandahan, ayun may nakita ako. May toilet. Toilet. There's a toilet oh. Kaya pupunta na ako dyan. We're back here at Osu District. Dito ay may maraming kung ano-anong mabibili. Toys, vintage clothes, kung ano-ano. So ito naman yung pwede mong gawin everyday. Yung at-home cafe niya ang gusto kong puntahan. Pero mukhang medyo mahal. Ang mga nagsiserve daw dyan ay, ayun no, mga parang naka-maid's uniform. Pero curious ako, gusto kong puntahan yan.
We are here in Nagoya, Yapaton. It's a tonkatsu place.
Oh, we do not know about this place. Meron lang nakapilat lagi mahaba. Nakakailang araw na kami dito. It's our 8th day. Laging mahabang pila. Kahit umuulan yan ha, mapila. After 10 to 15 minutes of waiting, na-sit na rin kami. Maraming tao.
So if you like pork chop. It's tender, it's kind of juicy, and it's a different take.
Did you like or not?
Not so much,
But it's okay.
but it's okay, just for the experience.
Kahit naman ano sa akin masarap. Actually, nasarapan naman ako talaga. We're now here at Inuyama Station. One train away lang to from Nagoya Station. Takes about 20 to 25 minutes. Pero ang bilis. Parang hindi ganun katagal. Ang bilis ng buhay dito sa Japan. Inuyama Castle at this side. According to Google, this is the best time to visit Inuyama Castle because it's the start of Inuyama Festival. Kaya ayan, no? Nagsa-start na sila ng mga booth. Our tour guide. May Ate Helen, may cousin. Na dito na yan nakatira for 30 years pero hindi marunong sa mga daanan. Kaya ang tunay na aming tour guide, ayun yung naka-orange. Ate. Eto na nga. Kasi nga festival and it's a Sunday. It's Easter Sunday as well. Kaya medyo maraming ang tao. So, taste it while you're here, di ba? Ito yung mga dapat kinakain mo pag nasa Japan ka.
Yan, nahanap ko yan.
Ang sarap. Walking side by side with my Ate Helen. Ang happy ko talaga. Grabe, ilang taong kong pinangarap makasama siya sa gantong lakwatsahan. Umabot pa siya ng 60 at ako 50 bago kami nagkita. Ganda ng mga bahay dito around Inuyama Castle. Di ba magkamukha kami, mga mukha kaming Hapon. From here, malayo pa yung castle, but this is a very nice view to take photos. Ayan na siya. Si Ate is a resident of Japan for more than 30 years. 30 years ago na rin daw yung unang punta niya dito sa Inuyama. And she's happy that we're here. Kalain mo, kung di pa kami pumunta dito, hindi siya babalik ng Inuyama. The festival or the parade is about to start. Sa Pilipinas, ito yung mga karwahe. Karwahe is called Yama. Festival is also important here in Nagoya. Ang swerte namin kasi we didn't expect this. This is for love. And then kukuha. Pick one. Cute. Oh, yung cute. Red.
Meron yan sa loob na babasa. Yan,
Kaya may babasahin sa loob. According to this note, there's an 80 minutes waiting time to get inside the castle. Kasi nga maraming tao ngayon. It's a Sunday. Walang pasok ang mga tao. It's a spring break. Plus, there's an Inuyama Festival happening today. We're done at Inuyama Castle. Maraming tao. Pero nakita namin ang kaganapan which is very nice. Eto, pabalik na kami. This area, ang very quiet. Tapos yung mga flowers nila, so beautiful. From the castle, we took one train and then walked for about 15 to 20 minutes to see the Great Buddha there. Ayan, pupunta siya doon. Kasi pag doon siya nagpicture, magkakaroon daw ng shade si Great Buddha. Tiyaga, Dito, ate, sakura, Ganda from here, If you go to Nagoya at you have plenty of time, do not miss this Great Buddha here in this place. Sobrang ganda naman niya. Very relaxing, especially with the cherry blossoms. When in Nagoya, pag nakita nyo tong sign na ito, Saizeriya, Diyan kayo kumain. Mura dyan at masarap ang pagkain. These are all our food for today. This is squid spaghetti. Chicken again, masarap yan. Burger again, masarap din yan. First time namin itong kakaining beef steak at ang escargot, o diba? For dessert, the flan and tiramisu.
Delicious, affordable, and accessible. Saizeria.
This is highly recommended by my cousin, Ate Helen.
Mga turista.
Yes.
Hi!
At dahil dyan, madami kaming natipid. So marami kaming pampasalubong. Sarap ng pagkain, no ate? Mura talaga!
Ay, nagustuhan talaga.
Yes. Sa lahat ng kinainan namin dito for 10 days, ito talaga yung the best. Thank you ate for this recommendation. On our last day here in Japan, we're gonna eat at Komeda's Coffee. This is highly recommended by my cousin there, Ate Helen. She used to work here before, kaya memorize niya yung pagkain dito at yung pricing. I'm having this summer freeze juice drink. Tapos si Ate at si Jan, they're having the cold coffee.
Iced coffee.
Icizer peanuts pag nag-coffee ka. Pancake ba to, ate? It's a pancake.
This is so good. There's egg salad, there's vegetables, and there's some kind of meat there. This is so good. If you're Komeda coffee, order this one. With the iced coffee, perfect combination. Plus, of course, their famous dessert. Yan. Enjoy. Bon appetit.
Thank you, Nagoya. That's the Coco Hotel. We're here at the airport. Train, thank you, train. We survived the train. The hotel, mabigat yan ako, mga 40 kilos yan. Thank you, Nagoya. Shops here inside the airport after the immigration. Sarado pa oh. 11 pa sila magbubukas. It's just 10:10. Hello. Good afternoon. I am so happy with this trip in Nagoya. Oh, that's the seat. Syempre, first honor na naman kami sa CR. Yan, ang ganda kasi likod na likod. Hindi ako mamumroblema maglakad-lakad pabalik.